Hello and welcome to Teachings and Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. In this presentation, we're going to explore the Every Student Succeeds Act, which was created to ensure that all students receive quality education from public schools. ESSA requires that all students be tested by their states. For example, states must test students once a year in grades 3 through 8 in reading and math. Students must also be tested in reading and math at least once in high school. As for science, students must be tested once in elementary, middle, and high school. ESSA allows for states to set their own academic standards and related coursework of curriculum. Those standards must be, quote, challenging with respect to reading and math and science. All students receiving public education should have equal access to those standards. School accountability was outlined in the No Child Left Behind Act, and ESSA continues to hold schools accountable for student achievement. Schools will be evaluated through 5 different measures, with 4 measures being academic indicators. Some ways to measure school success is through graduation rates, English language proficiency, college readiness, academic progress, etc. School innovation is stressed in ESSA. Innovative teaching practices and lesson plans should be used to increase student achievement. The students themselves must be given the opportunity to create and build. UDL, the Universal Design for Learning, is suggested as a way of using many different methods to allow students to learn the same content. Under ESSA, all school districts must make their report cards available to the public. Some of the things you can find in a school report card would be high school graduation rates, where school funding is going and where it is coming from, as well as standardized test scores. Student demographics and achievement will also be present. Bullying prevention is also a focus of the ESSA. Recent tragedy has set forth the need for bullying prevention programs. States have their own laws on how bullying should be handled in schools. Today, there are many anti-bullying coordinators and committees available in the districts. Now, ESSA replaces the No Child Left Behind Act and makes several important changes. However, provisions related to standardized testing remain in place. ESSA looks to decrease the amount of high-stake testing by allowing states to make decisions. It eliminates the annual yearly progress, AYP. And here's just a little bit of more information before we finish up. ESSA provides funding for states to improve the use of assessments on behalf of the benefit of the child. States are required to submit goals and plans for achieving success to the United States Department of Ed. And the Department of Ed is obligated to provide feedback and to approve or deny the state's plans. For more information, grab the Special Education Law PowerPoint found in the description. And I want to say thank you for your time. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you very much.